Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Alright, I think I got it. I think we got a position here. This is a lot of work, to be honest with you. People who don't think what's up, guys? What is up? I am finally here. I think I finally got it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so happy to finally do this video. I've been contemplating doing this video for so long. I mean, like it's been a very long time. I used to do YouTube videos back in the days and I stopped, for a while because of many things, but now I'm back. Welcome, guys. Listen, I am so ready to take on this journey. I am ready to build my little family. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Didi. Give me a second. Oh wait, my friend is. I am finally here. I can't believe. Let me not say I can't believe. I do believe. I am here. I am finally doing this. I have been procrastinating on doing this video. Well, not this video, but just in general, starting my channel and launching it for the longest. But now it's 2023 and I am just tired of the excuses that I give to myself, I'll do it another time, or my hair's not done, my nail's not done. And I was like, you know what, this year 2023, I'm not giving myself any excuses. No more excuses. It's time for me to do everything that I said that I'm going to do. So I'm giving myself a chance to evolve and grow and expand my audience. So here I am. Since I'm trying to find my niche, it might take me a minute. I might change some things up a little bit, like my background and stuff like that. I'm actually, I'm working with this lighting thing, and it's a work in progress. It's a work in progress. Definitely a work in progress. We're not there yet. We ain't there. But we getting there. We're getting there. I definitely do think, as time evolves, I'll be able to know exactly what the fuck I want to say or what. It's 2003 and we made it. And I'm so happy to be here. And when I say here, I don't mean in the physical place. Things make more sense to me. Everything. Life, hardships, makeups, breakups, friendships. I know I'm at a place where a lot of it just makes sense. I think I found out. I see who you're talking about though.
Yeah, and I went and the thing was so long, right? And now they're gonna have a part 2 in Boca, and it's $100 per ticket. And I was just like,
oh, okay.
But it was just it
was good.
It started out great, then it flopped. I was just like,
what
the movie dragged.
Oh, okay.
But it was good because it had 6 parts.
Oh, okay.
It was telling 6 different stories. So
I don't like when that's the thing, especially in a Haitian
movie. But it was good though. I was give him credit because it was good. Certain parts where I was just like, yeah.
Or it could have been you think the delivery of the actors and actresses versus the actual
maybe
content?
Some, because he had some really good actors and actresses. It was just the storyline for me. I was just like, wait, what? Let's see.
The storyline wasn't cutting it.
It wasn't cutting it.
So you want to take the turnpike or the highway?
That's what I'm trying to see what would be.
Because the turnpike is right
here. Yeah. Let me see the address. I don't know if cars might. Yeah, my cousin lives, I think, in this community. Once we turn, I'll see.
Cobblestone?
Yes. He lives in Cobblestone.
That
The
place
one that
is
was
nice.
hosted the wedding.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, that place is nice. You know how when kids get to go out. I mean, I've gone out, but it's like, it's been so washy.
You better than me. I haven't, like, besides you and oh, I can go.
Yeah. I was like, what's she waiting for?
Besides you and one of my other sister like friends, it's like sometimes some certain things are like a little, what's the term, like you're trying to be safe because certain things have changed.
Yeah, a lot has changed. Oh wow, you could be right here and there's like nothing going on. All of a sudden, boom.
Yeah.
Somebody pop out.
Yep.
And like, shit goes down.
But I'm excited. I am, because it's been a moment. It's like I was telling when I was talking to your mom, I was like, consider like an empath. Like, when you build relationships, there's relationships that there's relationships you had in childhood, right?
Yeah.
And there's people that you still grow with, and there's people that you get distant with, and there's people that you keep it short, you keep it moving.
Keep it short.
And we all have different views, but then there's like people in your life that is like, man, like,
Can't shake off.
even if you're on the other side of the world.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I was telling her, I'm like me, I like to use the word sister because I don't really got friends. Like, I consider you like a sister. So.
Yeah.
But for the most part, it's like life's journey. Everybody's journey.
Man, it's been so interesting. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's been like,
in life, that's the thing, and just like what you just said, you can reconnect with a person like time was never lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. But then it's just like there's some people you won't be able to reconnect with.
And there's nothing wrong with
there's
that.
nothing wrong with that.
There's
If we were all the same, that would be, that'd just be so off balance.
Yeah.
Off balance. It's nice there's differences. It's nice to be the way you are, how you are, but just be respectful. And even if you don't respect me, then just go about your way and let me go about my way.
Go about my way, yeah. That's the thing. A lot of people don't know how to do that, girl. So about that thing, okay. No.
Oh, okay. Oh, you still recording?
I'm still recording, girl. I need content, honey. You working on being a YouTube millionaire? Okay?
That's right. That's right. Speaking into existence.
Yes, because honestly, I've been procrastinating. I started this a long time ago, and then I was doing it because I've always been that hands-on creative kind of person. But I just,
me too. I would have been, girl. You know how long ago I was supposed to? Not even just a podcast. I was trying to do something with a good friend of mine since 2017, and then she's like, "Yeah, we're gonna do." I was like, "Okay, this isn't happening." I finally did it. But I agree. You have a chance to do it and just stop and do it, girl.
Yeah.
This is great.
Yeah.
This is great. I'm glad you're doing it because it's like I love to hear what people, especially. I'm not trying to make it seem like a black and white thing, but black women to do.
Yeah.
Like
to just do like whatever idea. Because I've had the idea for so long, but issues like problems, like it's just like I always put it in the back of my mind, like I'll get to it, or it's just not that much of that thing. But it's a part of it. Honestly, it's really a part of like what makes me being creative and being vocal and like talking about things that I like. That I like.
I like that because it's nice to see a different face. I guess it's just different. Just something different. It's intriguing. I think it's nice. There's so many podcasts, yes, but it's just like when and not just podcasts, so many subjects to talk about. So many things that some people might not feel comfortable talking about, or just not being too talk about. But then there's people like, man, I haven't heard this, or I didn't know about this.
Yeah,
I think it's great. Like narrating. I love narrating. That's why I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
I love the card. I'm just the person, I just don't like showing my face on camera. But I love like
you're definitely on this camera though.
Yeah, that's okay.
And you look good.
For you, yes.
You look good. Like the sun is, look at this. The sun is hitting your face like it's saying, shine, my child.
Shine.
Shine.
Shine. Shine. Sparkle. Blue.
I haven't come up with a name yet.
It'll come to you.
thinking about a name for the podcast.
It'll come to you. The fact that you're actually, taking it into action, it'll come to you. Like, how sometimes you might plan something, you're like, oh my gosh, it's getting closer. I have this ready. I have that ready. And then you might be missing one thing and you're like, oh my gosh, how am I going to do this? It'll come to you.
Yeah. I'm not going to rush it. I'll just let it go. I was brainstorming with one of my friends a week and a half ago. But then it just didn't come. So I'm like, nah, I'll just wait. Because some things it's better not to rush.
Yeah. This is like something in you. People will hear you out. People will tune in. But if you have that in you, it's good to let it out.
Yeah. Oh, I'm excited. Well, we are on our way to the fashion show, and I'm going to stop the recording, and when we get there, we'll resume and, show you a little bit of what we doing, what we seeing. You know what I'm saying? We ain't going to show you too much because, first of all, right, yeah, so. So YouTube,
That's right. Positivity. That's right.
Not my battery being low.
Really?
Right when we get there.
Let me say I didn't park good. I parked good. There's a space here. I parked in the lines.
Make it work. That's all we can do.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it.
What you think?
What?
Come and fly away with me. 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 Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me. We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 where the moon and water meet, somewhere close to harmony. When the world is sound asleep, something's gonna bring the change. Journeys we are meant to take, something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away. Don't you be afraid, everything will change. You and I jumping off the edge. They say dreamers never die. So come and fly, come and fly, come and fly away with me.
If you don't know, my name is James Dier. I'm a TV personality, but today it's all about fashion. It's all about TV. It's all about good looking. Oh my God, look at these nurses, ladies and gentlemen. They look so good tonight.
We're rising, we're falling, we're making through. We're climbing, we're soaring, 1,000 views.
When I take to